Okay, 700 5.15. So when the market is closing above this level, we will go for a buy. So whenever market closed above this level, any body candle closed, so we will go for buy above that level. So here, any point of time without breaking the low, so we will go for a buy at this candle. If it is closed above that level, we will go for a buy. So like we are planning a buy opportunity at very lowest level. So that is the idea where we are going to plan here. So and previous history where we can see on 27th August, lot of stocks which forms that kind of pattern. So this is not giving you the entry opportunity immediately. So we should wait for a trade opportunity where we are going to plan such a great idea. So now X side which forms a 30 days low on 27/8. So we will back test here X side which forms a 30 days low on 27th August. This is what I'm exactly going to explain you what I'm going to do. So previously the trend of the stock is keep on going down. Okay, the stock is trading here 30 days low. Here at 30 days low. On the next day, market closes above previous day candle. So this is lower high, lower low, again lower low with lower high, and now higher low with lower high. So there is a, so let's see lower low and higher low like that. Okay, compared to this is the higher low, this is the lower low. So there should be the reversal opportunity which present. So what I am exactly planning to do, this candle is closed by day before yesterday's candle. That is where the 30 days low is made. We are going to focus previous day candle, where the previous day candle high is 161 and this candle closed above 162.1. So this is closed above this high. And now after next day, I'm planning a trade above 162.10. So let's show you clearly. This candle high is 161. This is the 30-day low. And the next candle which closes higher than this candle, previous candle's high. So now 162.1. So I'm going to plan a buy above 162.1 with the stop loss below 30 days low. After that, from 161, it reaching somewhere 200 level. Hope you got it. So what we are discussing here, you got it, right? And the same one we are planning for a next stock of Euro Motor Corp. Let's go to take Euro Motor Corp. The same which forms, this is the 27th August should be the 30 days low. The next day candle which closes above previous day's candle high, where we are getting buy opportunity above 2729 with the stop loss below 2636. From here the market, so this is what my level for the trade. So here I'm going to take the buy opportunity. This is what a stop loss. After that, market reaching higher level. Hope you got it. This is a simple method which will give you such a great opportunity where I'm going to plan a trade. And the third stock, Federal Bank and Berger Paint. Federal Bank which forms here, and 28th August is closed above this previous day high, and once it is broken 82, so it moves towards 84.45. And Berger Paint again, this is the low 27th August, and next day it closed higher and the buy opportunity is 812. Now it moves towards 844. So this one is happening, and previously lot of stocks, even Zero Motor Corp which forms 26th as well as 27, 2 days. Let's show you the Hero Motorcorp. The Hero Motorcorp, which is making the 30 days low at this candle as well as this candle. When if you are focusing this, it must close above this level, and if you focusing this candle must close above this level. Here only we got a entry. If the stock moving down by down daily, it will comes under the scanner, but whenever it closed above the previous day's high, we are going to take a long opportunity. That will give you, previously the stock was 2000, somewhere around 2800, right? The stock is trading around 2860, but we are buying an opportunity around 2700. So lowest level buy opportunity. Even we got our stocks which is coming under our scanner daily basis, but this pattern, this kind of formation, if you forms, we will get you such a great trade opportunity. You are going to get it out. Hope you understand. And if you want to check previous also, like Glenmark, okay, on 26, let's go for a Glenmark on 26. Glenmark Pharma on 26, which forms a low, and after that this one is the highest closing compared to, let's wait, here closed, and it is broken that 531, it moves towards 544. Our stop loss should be 510, so it is also generating you the profit. So if you are equity trader, you buy and hold for a 2 to 3 days, that will give you result. After such a great down movement in the stock, previously it is keep on moving down, we find out an opportunity to make a trade at the lowest level. That is what very important. And even we can make some lot of stocks. We can at Voltas, Coromandel, Glenmark, Maruti, NTPC. So lot of stock. Let's go for Amar Raja batteries. We have done some trades by candlesticks pattern in Amar Raja batteries on 26. Got it? 26 is the price where it is next day market not closing above previous candle, and 2 days later it closing above previous day candle. So this is what I based on candlesticks pattern. We are finding a trade opportunity at this point because of inside out candle, so candlesticks based. But what I'm discussing here, the method, this is the 30 days low, and after that the candle is trying to pull, ending with a bullish but not able to cross this, and the second day it crossed above this level and closed above this level. So when, if it is breaking above this level, there is an entry point. After that market moves big. What we got a exact entry point, this one is 696, the stop loss is 665. So this high is broken 696 with the stop loss 666. So you can plan an equity trade with your risk ability. After that it moves 728, somewhere around 30 rupees positive. So you are taking a risk of 30, that is also generate you 30 rupees profit. That was giving you such a great opportunity. And Glenmark, let's go for a Glenmark. I hope you got that point what I'm discussing with you now. Again, this is the entry point we already seen. Glenmark, Maruti, it's a new one. Maruti Suzuki, new one. I think this is the entry point where 6,800 and it moves to us 6,950. There is a buying opportunity at very least point with the simple coding. Once you understand the risk factor and reward factor, you will easily do the trade, the code which is giving you. So we got a lot of stocks to filter out. So what I'm going to do, if the stock is trading above 50 rupees stocks, so open when is greater than, let's simply greater than number 50, and if I filter it out, we may ignore minimum stock. So and again, the stock which is trading up more power, so that is trending stocks. If you find any trending stock which forms this kind of pattern, we may be getting such a great opportunity to make intraday, positional, even intraday also. Let's I will simply use the ADX. The ADX, the 14 period ADX is greater than number 20, because if the stock having ADX is more than 20, there is a trending stock, whether it is going down or going up. So that may be giving you 20 above. Now we filter out many more stocks, and even let's go for a 25. Let's take it out. So filter out many stocks. So even lot of stocks got it. And 25th August, let's check it out. Amar Raja batteries, and it is keep on moving down. Maruti DLF. Let's go for a DLF. That is a new one. And Marico. Marico 25th August. Got it. The next after this is the I is our key point. This I is your key point. The market is closing over here only. This candle previously high is closed above this one. We are taking for this one candle is closed, and it closed here. That is around 546. After that, now it is 576. Okay, so trending stock, it will move very big because the ADX is more. And DLF where we are going to focus something here. 25th August, it closed above previous day candle somewhere. See previous somewhere here, that is 320, and it moves 349. So the simple method which is going to give you such a great kind of result, where if you are following this scanner 100%, you are going to make money. This is I'm going to give you for my 3K subscribers. I need to save the scan, and same way we will focus the high level stocks. So the same code which will convert into highest level. How many stocks which is trading at high, that must be a max fixture, max duration 30-day, latest high. If any stocks which forms the same condition which I'm going to make, and now I save as the scan 30-day high future stock. You understand? High. Automate. Okay, let's try it out. How many stocks which you got it? Oh, lot of stocks, because trading market is on highest level. We find out lot of stocks were trading at highest level. Like, can you able to see even IDX is 25. Many stocks. Okay, so let's try some other stocks, and a few recent were 27th August. Yes, Tata Communication, Britannia, SRF, lot of stock. Let's go for yes cards first. 30 days high. Yes cards on the day where it forms 27th August, maybe 27th August, maybe highest level. Market should close below previous day low, right? This is the previous day low where market closed at this point, but it should break the level. It not, we don't get an opportunity at highest level. And the second stock, Tata Consume. I hope you understand what I'm discussing with you. On the day 30 days 27th August, something where here, and after that it never coming down, it is keep on moving higher and making a 30 days high. Whenever we find such a great reversal, we will go for a sale. And SRF, SBI Life, HAL, lot of stocks. HAL, because market is in highest level, so every stock which forms a kind of pattern. So HAL, so compared to this 27th, 26th, 27th is highest level, and even 30th also highest level. It will keep on moving higher. We don't have an opportunity to close that level. Below this level closing, after that we are going to take a entry. So now you get some idea how we can do the trading very easily. Hope you got my idea. This is for my 30K subscribers, and I will share you the link on my Telegram. If you want to join my Telegram channel, see the description of this video and you will find out the link and you can get it out, that code, free of cost. Thank you for watching this video and thank you very much.